In this video, we will see how to install Laravel Fortify in our Laravel 12 application. So we will do an authentication Laravel 12 app. So with basic authentication functionality. So let's get started. And first we will install Laravel 12. So you can see this is my Docker container and it has all the Laravel applications. So now we will create a new app. Okay, that is in Laravel 12 by using this command, and this will be my auth app. Okay, so I will install this app first. So this would take some time. Okay, we have installed the Laravel app. Now let's go to the ls. Let's clear this first. Okay, and go to ls. We can see that a new auth app has been installed. Okay, now what we are going to do is we are going to go to cd auth app. Okay, now ls if I do, then we can see all the Laravel files are existing. So now let's install Laravel Fortify. So let's go to Laravel Fortify installation, copy this. Okay, and let's paste this here. So this will require the package of 45 in our current application. Okay, you can see that the Laravel Fortify package has been and the composer is required. Now we need to install this. So I'm going to use install 45 package command and I'm going to run it into the Docker so that we install this. So this will install the Laravel Fortify, and you can see that the Laravel Fortify has been installed. Now let's open this in the VS Code. Okay, and we can see that in we have installed Fortify, and if we go down here, you can see that fortify.php is there. So this now let's go to the documentation and let's see what it says. So once we do this, it tells us to migrate the tables. But before that, let's do this Fortify features. So let's configure this. Okay, so now once we go here to the config 45.php file, then we will see the home route is set here. So because I don't have any routes, I will just use the default route, that is the root route. And then I'm going to comment some of the features of it. So I'm going to keep these features and I'm just going to comment these features. Okay, I'm going to save this. Okay, and now if I go to my local host, okay, localhost 8000 slash auth app, slash public slash index dot php. And if I run this, you will be able to see Laravel application along with the login and register button. So this will take some time to load. So you can see that the login button is there and the register button is there. But if I go to this now, so it won't work because we do not have any routes and view pages for it. So for that, what we are going to do is we are going to the official documentation now. Okay, let's scroll down and you can see that they tell us to put this into our boot function. Okay, let's copy this code over here and let's go to the app folder. Then let's go to providers and let's go to Fortify service provider and you can see the boot function over here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to copy this here. Okay, and I'm going to use this. So we need a auth and login view for this. So Fortify will redirect us to this. Then what we need is the register route as well. So I'm going to create a register route as well. So let's use the register route here, the view. So it will be register. Okay, now what we need to do is what we need to do is we need to create the view files for it. So in resources views, I'm going to create a new folder called as auth. Okay, and in this I will have login. So login dot play dot php, and I'm going to have register dot play dot php. So I have these two files now, and login and register. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to put this dummy template over here for login. Okay, and for register also I'm going to put a dummy template. So I will provide the link code in the description later. And here I'm going to use the dummy code for register. Okay, so once this is done, okay, let's add the logout functionality as well. So let's go to the code here and just say logout, and you can see that we have to install this. Okay, use this. So use this package here and include this package. So I'm going to the service provider back again. Okay, and I'm going to include this, and in my register function I'm just going to put this code over here, and it will redirect me to the my root once we are logged out. Okay, so I've included this. Next we need to give a logout route as well into a view file. So I'm just going to give a logout route here into my welcome blade. Okay, again I will provide this code in the description. So I'm using a logout just after this. So on the dashboard that we will have a logout button. Okay, so we have done all the setup, and next what I will do is okay, I need to set up the database. So I will go to .env file, and this settings are not correct, hence I have to put my Docker settings. Okay, so I will use my Docker settings here. Okay, I'm going to replace this code with this. So these are all my Docker settings, and FTP is my database name, and these are my usernames and passwords. So I'm going to save this, and now I'm going to run the php artisan migrate command. So if I go on top of the documentation, it is given me the migration command. So I'm going to copy this now, and I'm going to run this. Okay. Okay, once I run this, all the migrations will be done. You can see that the migrations are done now, and if I go to my localhost 8080, you can see AppDB will have now tables in it. So, but there are no records in the users table. So now let's add some records in the users table. So let's go here. Let's register ourselves. Okay, so it will open the template that we have just created. So it will go to the register route. So you can see that we have gone to the register route. I'll just put my name here, then my email, then my password, and re-enter my password and register. So this will register now me, and you can see that I have this layout now that it has dashboard and logout. So I am logged in and registered. Okay, if I go to this browse here, and you can see that the record is inserted into the database. So now what I will do is I will log out. So I will click on the logout button. So this will now give me the default path, default location, that is the root location, and we'll have login and register button. So now I will log in, and this will open the login layout, and I will log in now with my email and password. Okay, once I click on the login button, I should be again redirected to the welcome page as before. So you can see that I'm again redirected to the root page, that is welcome page, and I have dashboard and logout. So this is how the authentication, this is the basic authentication system using Laravel Fortify. So I will provide the link codes in the description, links to the code, and I will, if you have any queries, please put it into the comments, and yeah, thank you for watching.